Hello, welcome to the channel. I am your host, Robin. This channel is about helping others learn the benefits and the practice of sitting mindful meditation. It combines my love of nature with the serenity that I find in nature and the serenity I get from the practice of sitting mindfully. I sometimes sit in nature and I sometimes sit at home, inside. The point is, my meditation practice consists of 4 phases. I seek a state of calm, and when I find that state of calm, it becomes the object of my meditation. The next step is holding that object in my mind, and then remaining calm while holding that object in my mind. Most of the time, I focus on my breath at the tip of my nose. Pay attention to your breath as you breathe in and out at the tip of your nose. Knowing that you have that with you no matter where you are means you carry with you a point of focus that you can concentrate on. I find it's helpful to sit upright, which helps me maintain a clear mind and keeps blood flow up so that I can relax and still be conscious. I usually practice single pointed focus on my breath, and eventually no images are needed, so I go ahead and close my eyes, or at least let my eyelids droop and relax. If I want to meditate on something I'm learning or something I want to retain and embed in my mind, I'll do a reading about whatever it is beforehand, or listen to a recording of something or someone that has some beneficial aspect to it that I want to keep. Some ideas that I've used are happiness, how to attain it, compassion for others, and what compassion means and what it looks like, serenity, which is something I think we all seek. There is no point in focusing a meditation on possessions or gains like wealth or fame. These may well result from our meditation, as you grow your ability to be happy and serene and show compassion for others, you will be rewarded. These are some of the benefits of learning to sit meditation. This channel has very simple goals to help others practice sitting. And I'm trying to make it entertaining for those that do need a point of focus visually or auditorially by including some videos that I've shot while I'm sitting meditating in the outdoors. Are you still concentrating on your breathing? For me, the noises of the outdoors can be quite hypnotic. Sometimes even the distractions of the noises that are around me can be distractions that I can learn to practice with and to blank them out. It depends on what it is. The one constant for me is paying attention to the breath, the feeling of my breath at the tip of my nose. By focusing on that sound in the background or that feeling at the tip of my nose, I'm able to concentrate on one thing, which means my mind can't hold other ideas. As those ideas come in, I let them go, just like a leaf on a stream. I don't push them out of my mind. I just see them being dropped in a stream and let it float away. And I go back to the feeling. Some places I meditate, I can just relax into the noise in the background. Even distant traffic noise. Although not natural, it's part of the nature of how we live. Not every place that we can sit in meditation is under our control. Most things in our life aren't within our control. The one we can control is our mind, and choosing to focus on the breathing and the feeling at the tip of our nose. It doesn't need to be any more complex than that. Overall, my hope is that you will like and subscribe to the channel, but mostly I'm hoping that you will gain some insight into how to meditate effectively and calm your mind. Because a recurring theme throughout the channel is that our mind is all we control. And when we can accept the other things around us as what they are, then we gain serenity. We no longer struggle. So, if you subscribe to the channel, leave comments, let me know what you think. If you find this beneficial, That'll make me feel like I'm doing something beneficial for you. This has basically been the introduction video. In future videos, I'll probably stay on one location. These are 6 of the different places that I recorded, which allowed me to put together a small sampling of what I'm going to be offering on the channel. Thanks for spending a couple of minutes with me. I hope you've enjoyed it. Remember, the focus you need is on the feeling at the tip of your nose. No matter where you are, you can close your eyes and feel your breathing. Thank you.